Okay, this is our unboxing of the ScentBird, perfume or cologne monthly subscription service. So I've got my hubby here to kind of help me unbox, because this month I actually I didn't pick a perfume because I tend to be allergic to perfumes, but he wears cologne and I always buy him colognes. So I thought this would be cool, something that he could join in my fun of
I'll try some cologne.
My subscription addiction that I got. So I thought I'd get something at least you could use this time. So, okay, so that's the little, cute little velvet, pouch that it comes in. And then you get a few little cards. So I'll read those while you open that. So it says, welcome to the magic of ScentBird. Your monthly perfume fix has arrived. So how to use it, you just twist it and spray it, it says just like lipstick, but he wouldn't know that. But
it's just a twist.
Okay, you figured it out. Oh, it smells good already. I like that. So this one actually is called, we brought it up, it's English Laundry Notting Hill by
like citrus
for men. So basically we're supposed to rate the scent. So we're going to go to our profile, rate the perfume or cologne, and then the better we rate it, the more recommendations will come for him in the future months. And then you update your queue, and then by the 5th of the month, you'll get your, but you update the queue by the 5th of the month, and then after that, you get the next month's perfume locked in. And then we're supposed to tell our friends, so we're telling all of you. All right, so right away, I like the smell. I don't know. I'm horrible at describing what things smell like. So to me, this kind of smells kind of musky.
I think it's kind of citrusy, musky.
Lemon or floral, a little floral, but manly. Definitely manly.
Smells fresh, I think.
Yeah, I like it. Would this be something you'd wear?
Yeah, I mean, especially a size like that. 'Cause I don't wear cologne. I wear certain colognes for certain reasons and times.
I mean, yeah, you have colognes when we go out, or colognes if you're just gonna,
Now, do you think this would be an everyday cologne or something you'd wear just morning?
Don't know.
No, fresh start.
Yeah, I think it's kind of a fresh, clean smell to start your day. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Get you energized.
Yeah, it's not so much of one that I don't think you'd be wearing at night to go out for a late night date or something like that, which we don't get to do. So I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Good to add. So, okay. So, again, it's a cute little spray. And I think...
Well, how much is it?
$14.95 a month.
So $15 for...
Yep.
One of
and
those.
This is a cute little travel case. So, every month, as we put in recommendations his ratings... No, I don't think it comes...
How do you replace
it?
It
does.
Oh, there's the vial.
Okay.
Well, that's a pretty good size.
That's a really good size. English Laundry. And then it has its name. Cool. I like this.
Now, you don't get a case every time, do you? You just get a vial next time, or do you get a case every month?
I believe you just get the
vial.
The vial of the cologne.
Sure.
And but this is nice to take traveling.
Yeah.
Because I know whenever we go traveling, we have to. You're always wanting to bring a cologne.
Well, it's got to be under a certain
size. And it's got to be under so many ounces that you can take through the airport, because we like to travel or carry on as much as we can usually, especially if we're going, someplace just for the weekend or a long weekend. So this is cool. I like the size.
How much do you need? You always bring too much.
I know. But it's cool. And then you just get to replace it. And this is going to take you a while. This will take you over a month, I swear.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because you're only going to spray it like one spray a day, don't you?
Yeah.
One or two?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know because I don't wear perfume. I have to
It was a pretty fine mist. I mean, it felt pretty good with one spray, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, you could still
and
smell it. That's
good.
one spray. So
I like it. So kind of, I don't know. I'm pleasantly surprised with this. Would you?
And it depends on the variety you can get from ScentBird, but I mean, what a way to try out new colognes.
Right.
I mean, they're so expensive.
And they seem to have a lot of variety on the website, but we'll try it out. We'll rate this, and then we'll.
How many ounces is that, or how was it come in at?
0.27 fluid ounces.
So a quarter ounce.
Yep. I think it's a good size.
Yeah.
Okay. It's cute. It's got a little ScentBird. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll make sure to rate it and see what we get for next month. But, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment down below if anybody else has tried it, and let us know what you think.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching.